The Mercedes-Benz X-Class is a pickup truck that can be described as a luxury-loaded Nissan Navara. The X-Class is based on the pickup truck from Nissan and it features Mercedes refinements as well as the company's standard of luxury. The higher trims on the X-Class family tells it all as it features a feature-packed design and an interior styling that is typical from Mercedes-Benz. While this may add diversity in the pickup truck scene, many still view the X-Class as a cash grab attempt aimed at badge buyers. These folks felt this way due to the fact that the X-Class is severely lacking on the things that matter most for pickup trucks, its utility duties. Well, it appears that Mercedes has heard them loud and clear and they have since been working on a more utility-focused X-Class. The details are unclear at the moment, but a leaked spy shot has convinced us that the more rugged X-Class is in the works when it shows a model that has a longer bed. Rumors have since been claiming that the upcoming X-Class is going to be the range-topping model. If true, then the X-Class and the spy shots can be said as proof that Mercedes can pull off a potential Raptor with the pickup truck.